Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about inelastic collision in two dimensions. Okay, let's say that I have a car, okay, with velocity of 25 meters per second and moving for the east with mass of 1500 kilogram. Okay, this car gonna to climb another car with another truck with 2500 kilogram for mass and velocity of 20 meter per second, and this car moving to north. Okay, after the collision the two cars stick together and moved in this direction with theta angle and velocity v final. So the question is find v final and find theta. Okay, as you know, to solve this equation, as you know, the two or the one dimension inelastic collision, the equation of it was, or before that, as you know, the momentum, the initial momentum or the momentum before the collision equals the momentum after the collision, final momentum. For that, the sum of the two vehicles, the sum of momentum of two vehicles before the collision equal the momentum after the collision. Okay, let's work on it. As you know, m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Okay, equal m1 plus m2 v time vf. Okay, here we're gonna just to write vf because the both of car and truck will stick together and move in the same velocity. Okay, like that. Here will be the car and the after the collision and the truck, and they will move with same speed, let's say vf. So this is the general equation, and in this example we have to work on x direction and y direction. So let's start with x direction. So momentum in x direction, m1 v1 x plus m2 v2 x equal m1 plus m2 vf x. Okay, m1 is 1500 kilogram, v1 equal 25 times 25, okay, plus m2 equal 2500 kilogram, but as you see v2 is actually acts on y axis only, as you see. For that, v2x will be 0 times anything equals 0, so plus 0 equal m1 1500 plus 2500. Okay, vfx will be vf, and when we deal with the angle, we have to make divide the velocity for two component, x component and x component here, vf for x and vf for y component. So as you know, the component of x, when we're dealing with x, we use cosine theta, and when we're dealing with y, we use sine theta. So here, v final x will be v final cosine theta. Okay. 1500 times 25 equal 37,500 plus 0, it is the same. Okay, 1500 plus 2500 equal 4000, and VF we still need to know it, and cosine theta. Okay, let's say this equation number 1. Okay, now let's work on y direction. So at y direction, m1 v1 plus m2 v2 equal m1 equal m1 plus m2 time vf. Okay, m1 v1y, okay, m2 v2y equal vfy. So m1 v1y, as you see, the v1 only for x direction, for that it's not act on y direction, so it would be 0 time anything equal 0. So 0 plus m2 2500 time v2 time 20 equal 1500 of m1 plus m2 2500 by vfy. Okay, by vfy, as we said, we can substituting it with sine theta. So by using the calculator, 2500 time 20 equal 50. Okay, let me continue in yellow. Equal 50,000. Okay, 50,000 equal 4,000 VF sine theta. Okay, let's say this is question number 2. Okay, now as you studied in math, the tangent of any angle, tangent theta, equal sine of this angle over cosine of this angle. Okay, just memorize this. We will use it later. Now I'm going to divide the equation number 2 by equation number 1. Equation number 2, this by this. Okay, let's say 2 over 1 equal 5,000 or 50,000 over 37,500,000. 37,500 equal, okay, 4,000 VF sine theta over 5,000. Okay, from here 5,000, sorry, 4,000 VF cosine theta. So by simplify, we can remove this with this and move this with this. and 50,000 over 37,500. 37,500 equal, by using the calculator, equal, okay, let me calculate it. Okay, equal 1.333. Okay, 1.333. Okay, and as I said, sine over cosine from here equal tan theta. So tan theta. Okay, now we have tan theta equal this number. To know the theta, we can just make shift tan -1 power -1 equal, okay, by using the calculator, tan -1 of 1.333, it give us the angle. It will be 53. Okay, 53. 53.1. Okay, now we got the angle. Okay, by substituting in 2 or 1, we can get the final velocity. Okay, as you like, selecting one, I will go with relation number 2, equation number 2. So 50,000 equal 4,000 time VF, we still need to know it, time sine, okay, 53.1. So on the calculator, sine 53 equal 53.1 equal 0.79999 time 4,000 equal 3,000 okay, 3,031.98. Okay, VF here 50,000. So VF will be, we will move this here, 50,000 over 3198, 3,198. Okay, 5,000, 50,000 divide 3198 equal 15.6. 15.6 meter per second. So VF equal 15.6 meter per second, and we just calculated the velocity of the both of the vehicles, because they are sticky and moving together in the same velocity after the collision, like this, like that, with 53 angle as we solved. Okay, thank you for watching.